Hi everybody, I'm Rachel, the owner of Studio Spin, and today I'm going to share a Floorwork move with you called a cat pounce. Not only is this move super sexy, but it is a great way to warm up the spine, and it just feels good. This is something that you can do at home. You don't need any other equipment, but I would suggest knee pads. If you don't have knee pads, then try to practice this on carpet or some kind of soft surface, just so that your knees have a little bit of cushioning on them. The cat pounce moves the spine through an arched position and a rounded position. So if you want to just take some time here to alternate between arching and rounding, just to feel that movement in the body, that'll help connect the arching of the spine and rounding of the spine into your cat pounce. So you're going to begin in a kneeling position with your knees slightly open, I would say hip width apart. Place the hands down on the floor in front of you, tuck the chin, and as you're diving forward, think about arching the spine as much as you can as you push that chest forward. Now what's great is you can reverse this in what's called a reverse cat pounce. So starting laying face down, you're gonna place your hands underneath the shoulders about, and you're gonna push yourself backwards. You're gonna push yourself back into your knees. Think about arching the spine, lifting the butt up, pushing back, pushing back, pushing back, and as your butt sits back on your feet, you can round the spine here to sit up. Now we're going to try connecting the cat pounce down and reverse cat pounce back up in one motion. Okay? Start by sliding the hands forward, tuck the chin, arch the spine, dive the chest forward, then the stomach, then the hips. Reverse it by replacing the hands under the shoulders, push back into the knees, arching, arching, arching. Sit those hips back on your feet, rounding up, and you can finish it by throwing the head back for a nice